Lawyer Kwabena Boateng. Well, I penipa or Casa Papa. Now, or sign millions and Junior lawyer on Yasam Ketua. Meneno, I Jumapa, Yakuo, yeah, Castle, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Lawyer Kwabena Boateng. Pachana, what to say? Me as a anopay, Osekrum. What Teddy Kakent also film about from?
Yeah, you
I manage to send them for what Jimmy saw. But I say, and that year, many dim come now, ye educated for before so, but now make us about the law of confidentiality. Say, baby, I am Yahoo Dinko could do some works to Memo Simbi. How be Rubina to Mr. Baby na mempeso bi abehu na ma be boso ache doctor ni na doctor no e da na no sa papa we sika kra se kru atu no nya sem keto a e be se hu ba bi amra na ma ekwan kodu he akuapim polo de ya ono na twa ne mfu ni be ba bonten na mra e ma chichire no even though so ono ana de na ono ana ye mpo no se ba bonten pe no e wa breach certain confidence bi eno da nchen a ye won sentwefo ba bi we ntwa photo no akwakocha photo because when you say on the right you perceive the law of confidentiality ego on my test my ganem tina meton safre on se boy na yenti sankomo yase gana mighty
no the wakano ewumusa let discuss no in two respects the edikaino confidentiality as it applies to professionals. Ibine the okase ekrubi will be yari doctor ni in position as a doctor no inipano a confide in you na wasiki for medical aid. That confidentiality no applies to all professions, even in law, in medicine, and all people operating in professional capacities. Say as someone who in the course of the performance of your duties, you know, one farm cocantin pafoko, and now one farm concotu abontain a movie. And yet, Ubia wants to not be when you when you man number and say, we get out in the damn pass of plan, because also Ubefia would be a human como I farm crofone,
okay.
Now, so we teach our professional etiquette and one. Then if I'm one. Would not some other two jano, or who finds what summer war na again patamano. Now, a new the professional body who would join it. The lawyer in a Ghana Bar Association, any general legal counsel, or Monso or Pine or Modo the Paso. We are Dr. Ninswa, or Monso who regularly, you know, or Monso or Pine or Modo the Paso. Yet the no concern about or my moving answer. Yes, or my no any American or day. Too many of my for say, for Mubina, you have information. The BBI, some kind of mine home, a forward you do my name, any BBI, a 4 man of Brabo Hono. And running said, yes, you may move for 1 year. The bit me winning Iranians have the Kadi 15 years. When the Kamuntina, you want the right of movement, you war, you know, they say, right to information, so about the boom. No, they say I statutory. Now, okay, chapter 5 of 1992 Constitution one. Right now, they might subject to issues of national security, and then also the respect for the rights of other people. If I would be more, I'm going to be a man. And enforce a one and so in the details, we now will be a copy. Inti the a copy no ye be obi so fa ahodi asase afiri ho mbra pono ma wo fa ahodi se utimi bonum e de ye enigidi ma wo entertainment samra pono ama wakonya se so obi fie ben wo na ade aka no wada e ho se wo take say ni papo no right se wa anhwe na di pa no so ko sama wo se ade aka wa bonyom about 12 decibels ono so e wo ono so do kokko twa ubenya so say Emrano Yinano ne Fagudino, and Fakon and Taba, and here. So, your national security, our constitution is very clear on it. You're right to be subject to matters in the interest of national security. You want to say, how do you know a year came? No, back when the state is in one piece. Say, oh, man, we and I will to Munino who pay Asundri and I will pay fundamental human rights. Now, for my simply then I would not so now would have pay Safa with you know who Busano. It's about matters of national security. Yeah, prioritizing above all other rights. That is not to say that it should be abused. I think that in the course of the discussion, you remember how the law balances it. But yes, the BBC secretary, the BBC woman who was a man for a book now a fee. Bamboo humans with them who get the echo to a year, and Granoma or Mampenia, the authorities that be in so kind in a good day. At that time, no, your right to movement, your right, all other rights, you know, in the interim has been hibernated. Oh, you're freezing a cacra. Tell your bear, the Oman to meet in a pier. Now, the ones when you could do at once what they enjoy all other rights, you know. So, practically speaking, no. So the about fundamental human rights in isolation, but that is difficult to do. Or Maya Emunona a true year in says already Israel, any Palestine, or many Hamas war that a share so kakra me no say rocket me a 2 a year him on both sides. No, the baby time over to your package now. I requested for fundamental human rights and so my name becomes meaningless. In TSC, in the exercise here, you found you know a year penal. Say in Saka, you need found you one him baby. I feel ye tra a bear inimical or prejudicial to national security. What I see example be say if you be a kuchaputu or baby say mucha in the security jurisprudence, no. You would intia yana ye maybe say be a womano aho bambo uko soja for baby or makache no wa baby or what memuko or muma unko. In fact, say o timemuni yeduko ra soja for akachi sisi and you say he kon mutu igua. Em sa soja for no kra no mu kakre di ni. You wa kodie bi wo hono mo a nkofo kakre di ni baby a ewo. Ye design ma we nyina no etoto said ye be ya nipa boni ni bi o gine bibi boni bi afọ man no ho wo hunu be bi ayakodi mpo wo ana security installations no wo hunu be bi wo matematic ache enso nantia na mi hu be bi a national security or more offices ni bi wo o mo dan bi da bi na me nimba na me nim se ho ye security installation nantia ba ye be me offices so pa and say that you need a decoy in the security terms. We are very decoy. Say a bena ubia who say, Tinipano Namwa Uncle Sunukrati be our bambuni, and so now a bambunia or Moswa Kraimu, or Murio Majuma, Elkui de Maye. And this will be contribution for you, kind, be a 1 year here, Juma Wono. State be our war, may underground agents. You need to be high by execution. You mean say, or we spy, and also what the purpose in here, a buying via legitimate target. Who could come for you know, probability say we over capture some of the staff. Our we under agents, you know, there's also probability say, even the location, no, who USA, the always market on the Google and some of the security, if they need to take campaigns, or baby or Messia, American Mampeni, yes, we could do. Oh, yes, dear, Unya geographic coordinates, Nedda. Unya. Wasn't Sanima winning in Arno, Eddie, achieve buying war airport speed. And you know, American embassy, no matter the Abu Yashab or say no photography here. Meaning, I know me reasons. Will be our planet Bonero. They are the pictures of installation. What is going to say, Hapaida, Ufa Hauswa, War, Ufa Piquem, they move for Hadia, which near Piquem. It is a car be packing Wahamu, Piqui, and Terminal, which near for Naka. anybody who is planning the opportunity, even if that person is not physically on the premises, any panel can plan from somewhere. And you see, there be a security, my my home for you to cry, my bed, or man when you be a product, you won't be a gate in Uremun, you won't be a CCC, and also a couple.
Nana me bisa say, eba no say bia baby asimi ntwa mfoni na obi di enyamrasim bi anase mfeni masim bi ho a eno nso bebo man se me kan matters of national security nso a eno nso ye be ne den.
When we say law no can or case abia inimical to state security, national security, and national interest as a whole. And a very fine balancing act. To say I find myself in the security premises. But who say ubi bambo for no grano. Bambo for no yena be a nimbremu. Can we say Sadiano Mujano is in the national interest? It is a many years me trust Sadiano. Now maybe institutions that they will have to deal with it. In that sense, the balancing act would tilt in Mimi favor. Because what I will be doing, would rather be the national interest. And see, and yet a casting stone that's it. So Obi Chaputa, again, the Nipano Echa. Maybe I could know who chat dino. Who chow more Jumao. Who chat security vehicles are ABA. What is the national interest in that? Compare that to say, what to say, security, men. The good is only a Bruno Nipani. And then the big cost over it's here a Bimra. We had Ghana Branoa, and Brano my fine say, asking them to be committed offense, a felony in your presence. I would mention the one word, the channel. It's mentioned separate in the soon we get another police station. And see, law was to have balance, the threshold, what is in the interest of the nation and its security. But Makanata, I mean, balancing the thing.
Okay.
Maybe a bamboo for 2 minutes or more Monsaki County. In fact, one wants a Mrami Monocrano. So be you, grass will be Kumipa. A mat bamboo for Anati before and I will be a Quinate or then Saki County in Japan. Lord, let's say the effort that is required to arrest or reasonable effort required to resist the lawful arrest.
Happy FM.
Into Kotu Bia, Ahmodia would hear say, who is the chili panel? As the panel Bren wants to say, the Wukan would do a cheat, was submitted to the arrester. You don't even need any force. And answer or resist here, a reasonable force would they overpower our resistance. That is all that the law requires.
Abana na who ya e den dodo na
unity kura wo be any class mutuka. Say that is not a felony. And a felony mpa emra no emma ho kwan say the be insaki nipa no. More so when any nipa submitted to arrest. I think say eno ya dia memufu nyina what the tua no guso. Na yema bambo fo no etiase. Say ye yenti na omo. Na yeka the political head no so a security for you wo masi. No see the jano eku omoso. Because a lot of times they do these things to please the political figures. We should let them understand that the ultimate benefits, the ultimate service, any time when you invite and I watch it no. Or no, so one could you ask what who come that the way in Java. We buy a campaign about some what they quack with Yakiano. Any panel who no. Na catch ya what you have to be any idea, any detail. I think that is the common sense. What say you senior terrorists be who are
assemble big can say yes you tax
na ye ade bi say mo bia ya emra no wo kwan ya ye be paso. I don't think say mo bia konya say ye impugning the dignity of the person of a citizen. no no de na sese yen so ya trambra
obitimi wutimi obi ahi sani osi ye na nim ne sani e dressing bi a waye na no fa ne face de abonten so de wi a yesi butu no wo na tikọ ne ade na no ye gine sen
oh say kopem say timamufo no so ye ni bebre na ye be jaimanin ka no mpaboa kesi bi abem no kopem si ye be jai sa de no sa nyema we be koso sa oh say emra no ye very clear. The process of arrest no so clear. Law no person will be there abusing it. You see, there's a case, Republic versus Asante. First in India, you can't go on coach. I think it's there 1972. Na okoya na openino kaki ni moto awuchiliki. No two. First in no or two kino. Na abranti so say na beti so. And what to say police is more wrong. The court no cast out before. Because you know resisting unlawful arrest. The criminal procedure code no expressing is effective arrest. And no limiting to police for anybody operating in a security capacity. And one could hear to call effective arrest. And yes, to throw the edition. And I will say, for move on and say, that is not arrest. And no, it belongs to the jungle. I don't know how long it will take for people to just understand. Say, when the number when you do man with the abaya foul say, we have security here will book campaign. And you're bronzing your power. What do man embrace who fagene to whom? What's who you need fagene to whom? What you say? A lot of times, you won't have problem. Koba, them 24 not to that boys no we errand boys in the security na so much more no we want na betina commission no ye drill no na atem no ko ba antonifo ni na no ye yiwa. You see, let this go to our security people. Ejuna na o ye na mrada ho wo na hadi take to arrest obi a wo to study obi a waye bi a itia emra no, but nipa no does not possess any imminent threat. Nipano you have no reasonable suspicion say Nipano was something to resist even a lawful arrest. Why would you say anything? I don't know what's all going on. I don't know what's with you. So you see, we thought that free let's not think say who could security it belongs to the jungle. There's a proper way I would interrogate you without breaching Nipano dignity. So what are you doing? We are not animals, right? We are not animals. Again, message to him. We never buy and Papa no Wakota. So on call ya, I was a court. What was summer buying? What was summer about? What was summer interior ministry? What was summer? A promotion, the Director General of that sector. What was summer Attorney General? What do you call court? Now, what to know about buying car? Now, they get orders. We never so bad and now. Oh, no, I just we are all not sick. Coming down, so they are the the family. Because I name a identity mistake. Yeah, be found out who be banana film who be banana say what the yari be never. I mean, na ye koya na tie na.
Council, I am now me say him fan na yen so sense and 4 years and 20 say me eba apart from law no why you me a check. Him fan na yen so ye dwuma ye no ye yakunya ne kokodru se bit ma ye dwuma na to aso. Cause I could adan ne ade a ye nyina gitum say eno so tie amra. We are from ra. Him from the Yosia who didn't kukudu na ye twa na mobi ketwa e ba na twa na mobi o metima gina so. Ba ba na say ne ba ba so ya en ketwa ngiri say me yesa ye ba ma ba so ma ye hero. Tino him fa na ye dwuma no ye no kukudu e ba emra no fam say me ntwa mfoni wa me say him fa na kukudu.
You see, I believe say the journalism fraternity here, honorable fraternity, is very honorable. na oye kura ya peje mu ama ababeye the fourth realm money about the fourth estate when it comes to governance. It is the executive if you only the legislature need judiciary. The fourth arm no media. Say media democracy means democracy. And it is for that purpose the operation in the media fraternity also designated by law. And even apart from the law, no, there are ethical rules. And also some soft law, and also, it pushes the whole fraternity. Let us understand. Say constitution, no any democracy, no who say yes, say information. And not yet, we are not washing it down. Because immediately we wash it down, we are in trouble. Access to information, investigative journalism is good for the democracy and the transparent government we want to have. Except that, it could do baby. You would send them in Kaka as you say, I'm one of them who are saying for
it interests you.
You are who could do that. Now, what would you say? I deal with no inimical to national security. Until who would say, what's the FM? There are 1,000 ways of bringing your story, conveying the same idea you want to convey to the populace without having to breach any of your ethical rules, and not having to breach, any issue regarding security installations. Sa heroism, no. Sabi adibu ayesi kampu from here kampu asaka.
Straight.
On se by abubu sum na umfumpi na awono. Woguno. Na edonso amwa. Woguno. Nti nya adie nyina ne ya ye koye shutanga. Mame koye na ye hu se na that is not the way of journalism, and I do not think that is what happened. As to what really happened in the premises, in respect of Mataya Babeteja and Ntiedi Mwasemi, I do not know what those pictures were for. I do not know exactly what were in the picture here, a threat to national security. But if that has been established, that's a clear to any reasonable mind say the taking of that thing is inimical to national security. Then, of course, I was a journalist, even you take it to a professional standard. But that said your year, say, to be a cobon to be Kotiana Yasi, to be Quaco, and not dear, and not dear, and not dear, and not dear, and Memkura. If there's any breach, you require a grant and we do this within a court. For even trespass, a kind of fire will on a granibia, and yet I pass our pass to Gray. And I say, when you access to the police under false pretenses, or probably you think that it was for some inimical purpose. Rano Mahon can't move in the court. Now, I feel more petition, the regulatory, more petition, Ghana Journalist Association,
Media Commission,
professional standards, or more apply to the young man. Whatever it is, or not to be an associate. Must take some argument from other quarters to say, intentional, the rule mono, or agenda. And I find it difficult to see where that argument could be coming from.
Maybe it's because of what he does on radio or TV. Maybe other based on the Ejuma Oye, and they feel say, obey me, I pick certain information, sir. Obey me, I drive here, obey me, I create a lot of problems for them near day. But I don't know. I know, yeah, Mensuma Jenny. But what he does on radio, hey, because of the Akatina needing Komokra, feel say, hey, as much about them, I mean, can say near day. So, Zane Manansu Uncle for when they see you and they know you to be, they associate you to certain idea away in society. When you're getting closer to them, you're very careful about that. I think, and also might be a reason.
But by default, we are all supposed to be careful. By default, we are all supposed to do the right thing. The law is not that let's do the wrong thing and hide it from society. It's the job of the journalist bringing out something which is not good, is not crime. And not a breach of ethical standard. Right? It is only a agenda. It may not mean that it's ready, but who is it? That is not the threshold of the law. So be a bit near one your professional capacity. Then if I'm on British Mrabiao, when I wouldn't be a YNT, you say if I'm not there. So what it will mean is that it's not necessarily against national security. But you think that we ineptitude be maybe I will a bore my form any panel de Babonte. It doesn't mean any panel will reach any law. Standard to me is very clear. It's set by the Constitution. So what is national security? And determination of what is the interest of national security, and you're covering your ineptitude. You see, so let's draw this line very, very, very clear. I just said, I didn't want to say, oh, no, the chubby be like I say, one up for three, baby. Go on, actually, or mine and Yodia, who what you will be what's all year 1 year, and then be any class also year and Wapako. Now, what you want, and no, that is not what the law is looking at. That is not what we are even interested in. See, let's draw the line very carefully when it comes to what is in the interest of nationals, and then what probably somebody thinks is inimical to no private welfare.
Council, baby by Nanka, all the video be a court, evidence, be a nipa me, be a coshe baby, be a obire, no be nakaka, no atam video, no. Now they are common, no, they are could not court in a by a Nanka court jitum, but you cannot just film anybody without permission. Now they're quite the open, but your sanity.
Yes, in fact. The legal systems around the world really divided when it comes to evidence of that sort, evidence that were obtained without the consent of the people in the evidence. We call America, almost once the tree is bad, its fruit is also bad. It is a my bonibiso and a deceptive way be. Na udinya evidence bia. What it means is that because the final facts on your bad, the evidence is also bad. Uba jurisprudence, say evidence is evidence no matter how you get it. You develop a jurisprudence not from there. Any day if it is a breach of privacy, not that breach also proceed. Whatever was uncovered, and proceed any threat to one, the nation, and two, some other persons are. And content of the evidence also yet crime one. The evidence will be admitted. And since I will be doing so now would need any reason to please the whole recording. Now if we are the beach though, and as a result, no back. Court in a slow every year. Once I need panel, you did not have the consent of the person to breach the privacy, Also, no better say any fair. But if one will be Katano or record, so Boka Kukumipa, and Koma or can so Boka Kukum will be, or Boka Kutu Abanyabu, or Boka Kubia. In that sense, the panel right to privacy gives way to that right to privacy will have to bow to the national interest. And see, that is the rules that our courts have developed. But the general principle as pertaining to the common law country here, evidence is admissible no matter how you get it.
Wow. Council, Nina Mekase, Mentimiti Tobia, na de no bia, man say, bigamy AM Bonnecassier. You meet him do a quack to moon fever. Yemfan say, or your waffle. And I couldn't catch maybe one chamber, baby, no any question, baby, no be at my cote, baby, I could train the video. What mean between the baby, dear dance, yes, I say, or the best saying, or the 12 month thing. And Brandon be Janus are.
What is the purpose for that evidence? Strictly for the use of the legal process. And I say, what would the evidence be? What they call court for the purpose of the legal process is different from putting it out there for malice. If you put it out there for malice, of an affair between Obi and Obia, you will be liable. Even if that person is liable in a legal process elsewhere, what will pursue at the outside a defined legal process, you will be liable. With what intent did you put out there? You see, is it to defame the person? Was it to bring the person to disrepute and mockery in the view of right-thinking members of society? So in that very moment here,
Happy FM.
Now you will be liable. But say you evidence for purposes of getting divorced in court, or for purposes of bringing a charge of bigamy, which is the legal process there. It's admissible. But Obi Asemnon fan and now also you are now supposed to talk social media on in your court. And you're going to be you be liable for what it is.
Can't say better as you pay. Now, all me yes, you be there for two that Ghana for as far as and some confidentiality is concerned. Rakasi pa will be a bit to me. I take you be on as far as I want second the consent. Meaning, the foot of Ghana for Hansan Yako.
No, correct. I do a power one. I won't say the Dabonzino will be a new one when I say what the better Bontin. Now, a mum say, I didn't idea a ball money who money. A yet bonny semi who
FM.
A idea a color to criminality. And none of the law non protector in any way. For people to media record, the other Bontin and ask what the court ama no actually. Quite apart from that, say idea power of the woman sem. And I will confide it on Obi in one record, no person will be Koye person you could be a dance unity or no dear Lord of the say at the time no record no. Now our consent and did you know say that conversation was being recorded? So some elements in India court no better say the fruit of a bad tree in the court into. Generally speaking, also about issues of national security no. Said the Mekaya no, Omanfo Yema Yano and minimum. A bassy you two crafo, you can't say you two more money for, you two or crown so for. The mum, 1 year you did two ama or why they are buying 2 million so much to me chilipa at any time. Or mum, you just board of bomb be brief, you say. Woman young phones wa effect no should change, say, the memuni be young phones war. Indeed, the must be extremely cautious because woman is to me already and to be true to our things here. We need the right to brandish a weapon, but they have. Say Namiku, who proceed and security person here. She has never cut or suspected I'm going to commit a crime to actually and you want them. Brothers watching me, I must go through them because of these enormous powers. Yeah, now what say you say? Bridge because the bridge can create here. I do unique as ye pa. Everybody, they to your phone. Now, yes, you mama to me. Yes, your mama basso. You mama, yes, the Mumuni wa, near me because we empty. Mumuni wa, democracy no and survival. Nemum, yes, ma.
Benyansafo anyana montenten
yesuma benyansafo aha nti wo ko na wo kore wadwuma no na wo de adwene so ato ho na wo de oman no yidi any the ultimate here the benefit to the society anyone that also a professional conduct me etiquette govern or professional now they and also ayedwuma. It will not take anything from the quality of work that you do. It will not take anything. Even now that you can formally request for information to be given, you can request for an authority to be on a public property for a purpose. All these things, the legal processes are there. Na yenzena omaino in Tumpo.
Madam say Miriam Berma, a lawyer. Kwabna Boateng, maybe I will be a Yamin Shah, baby, no brain, child, their mind. That's me, Bray. That's it.
No, Mamma, you know,
that's it.